once again coming, sir. So, you know all about Sanjay sir, right? Okay, Sanjay sir is the managing director for SSG College in France. Okay, and also is our training manager. Okay, he used to help for, for placements to the students and trainings also for the students. Okay. And after Corona, such a beautiful event which is organized by our team members, Soundarya Madam and Imran sir, Chef Narendra sir. Once again, I should say very much, thank you very much, sir, for organizing event which is organized, even though there is no power, certain lacking things are there, but still organized with fully some tact is there. Thank you very much, Madam, Soundarya Madam. And thank you, sir, Imran sir. And also, I would say thank you to the 2018 batch. So, every time there is a special batch is there. This time, 2018 batch is a special batch for our aims. Thank you, 2018 batch.
Very motivating speech by Bhuvan sir. But one thing I wanted to add, what Bhuvan sir has said about the motivation, or passion. Okay, which is very important aspect of any student or anyone. So as Bhuvan sir said that you have to keep your passion alive until you finish your degree. I wanted to correct in a way that you keep your passion alive until unless you are alive. So till your last breath you have to have your passion. So you should not regret that, okay, I haven't done this, I haven't done that, with full of our passion. So that is the reason I am not successful today. You should not regret in your life. That's what. So everyone is here to have successful in their life. Everyone wants to have success in our own life. Okay. So we do work, and whatever the courses and whatever the studies we are doing, for that sake only. Okay. But is it possible to remain successful every day? Is it possible? It is not possible. Right? So when we are doing something, we have to meet the failures also before the actual success comes. So many times we fail, we get up, we start again, we again get up, again we start. So every time but end of the day when success comes, that is only recognized. Okay, so you have to motivate yourself every day. Okay, now one thing every day nowadays we are getting a lot of motivational videos in the maybe through your WhatsApp or in Facebook or in different media, social media. Through social media we are getting a lot of motivational videos. Okay, which is very much accessible to everyone. So I watch those motivational videos. If I like those motivational videos, I love to watch and I try to learn. Okay, from that only one Yogi ji, I think some Yogi ji, he was giving speech. Okay, he used to give speeches to very big people like CEO of the companies or managing director of the companies. So he said, I interact with many of the CEOs. Okay, so I asked them, okay, why you are paid so high salaries? Because like you only, many people have learned management courses and they have been through they are very successful in their own areas. But why only very few people are very successful and they are the CEOs of the company and they are very highly paid? So the Yogi ji said, somebody very successful CEO has told him that we are paid because we dealt with the failure or we dealt with the crisis management in the past. So they found that we are capable of dealing with the crisis. The people who can deal with the crisis, they are really the managers. Okay, with the success, everyone flows. With the success, everyone is, they are the top. But really, when the organization is in real crisis, if the person is able to handle, he only will be, get paid more. One more thing I wanted to make you understand, everyone is teaching you to become successful. Okay, but how can you become successful until unless you know yourself? Okay, until unless you analyze yourself, until unless you are identifying yourself. So how to identify yourself? What is I am, being Sanjay, if I have to analyze myself, I should know my strengths, my weaknesses, okay, and other areas also. Okay, if I'm going to get some opportunities or what kind of threats I have. So do you know how to analyze yourself? To identify each individual that, I have this much of strengths, I have this much of weaknesses. I think 2018 batch. Do you know how to analyze yourself? Have you ever done self-analysis? Self-analysis ever చేసుకున్నారా మీరు? అంటే నాలో strengths ఏమున్నవి, నాలో weaknesses ఏమున్నవి అని? Don't you think that, we have to do self-analysis to ourselves to understand in better way to our own self? Don't you think that? When you understand yourself, then only you can present yourself to the company that, okay, these are the advantages I have. These are the drawbacks I have. If the drawbacks you can identify, you can work out on drawbacks and you can overcome those drawbacks, right? So identifying self-analysis, doing self-analysis is very much important. I think, maybe your faculties like Imran sir or other faculty members, they definitely help you how to do the self-analysis. I will give you the hint. I think you heard about the SWOT analysis, right? SWOT. SWOT is, what is SWOT? SWOT is, identifying yourself, self-analysis system, which is strengths, weaknesses, opportunities and threats. Okay, just make plus, write down, one side, one area, strengths, try to note down, all your strengths, whatever the strengths you have, whatever, gives you happiness, those all things are strengths. Okay, and your weaknesses like, you may have some weaknesses like you're lazy, okay, you sleep a lot, okay, you don't study, you don't work hard. So these are the weaknesses. So that is how you just list out both the things and try to work out on that. Once you identify your weakness, try to overcome that. How to, make a plan. Okay, so the people who can understand their weaknesses, the people who are ready to deal with the failure, it is, they can become successful. I know you people are getting ready to become successful, but also you need to learn how to deal with the failure. Then only you will be real successful in the professional way. When you are going to the industry, then only you can deal. Because see, school, classroom, you are really pampered a lot. Okay, this is not the real world. Only the glimpse you are getting, what you have to do in the industry, only glimpse. Industry is something different. Industry would be very harsh to you. Okay, you are learning only theory, but practical is much tougher when you are going to the industry. Until unless you make yourself little strong, you cannot survive. Or if you want to successful, if you really want to, get the heights, is it possible that, when you are passing out, everybody, I think, most of you people, what do you want to become? Can you tell me some of your, career goals? What's your career goal?
I want to become an F&B manager.
F&B manager. How many years down the line you want to become F&B manager?
5 years.
5 years down the line means from today?
Yes, sir.
From today, 5 years down the line. So, when are you going to pass out?
2021.
2021. That means another 2 years or 1 year? 1 year. Okay. So 1 year, 4 years left. So in 4 years, how you are going to become F&B manager? Tell me. What is your career plan from now?
So I have my communication skills and I'm a quick learner, sir. I
Okay.
have my own I have a communication and I'm confident that I can F&B manager after 5 years.
That's what. Okay. I'm sorry. I'm not into the training class, so I don't want to, make you like a class. Okay. But So make a career plan. Okay, the first year, very first year, I'm going to get selected for so and so hotel or so 5-star hotels in this position. Minimum, okay, I need to start with senior steward or captain level. Okay, then only if you're starting your career with the captain level at least, then only you can, in the down the line, 4 years you can become F&B manager. Otherwise, or you are getting selected for as an MP, then only you are going to become F&B manager in 4 years. You are getting my point. So are you really prepared for that? It is not that easy. It is not a cakewalk. Are you really prepared for that? So that's what, this inside the school you are pampered. So now the people who are into the final year, they have to pull up their socks, okay, and be ready for the industry. So now onwards, the complete final year, you have to dress up yourself for the interviews and facing those interviews so you can get selected as a management trainee and you can fulfill your dream. Okay, all the very best, okay, to you. So I am telling you how to deal with the failures, because every big person in this world to whom we know, they have dealt with the failures, okay, and very big failures. Last time also when I came, how Elon Musk has become so popular after failing, so many failures. Is still successful person. Okay, so we need to make ourselves in such a way that though we may get failures, but still we will not stop there. Okay, I'll want to share one good story of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Okay, ISRO. Am I a little lengthy? Are you getting bored? Okay. Should I tell the story? Okay. So when APJ Abdul Kalam, okay, he was the project director. He was the project coordinator for SLV3 project, 1979. Okay, this project was continuing from 10 years. Thousands of people they were working for this project, and it was continuously, since 10 years they are working so hard, and the launch time came in the year 1979, SLV3. Okay, this story was told by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam only, and the ISRO chairman was that time in 1979, Dr. Satish Dhawan. He was the in charge. He was the complete in charge, like complete ISRO. So simultaneously, other project also was going on. The other project was Rohini. Okay, the launch of Rohini was supposed to be done in the year 1980 after this success. So 1979, when they started launching this into the space, what happened? They met with a failure. Like crores of rupees of all Indians hard-earned money which has been paid with the taxes for the development of this. They made the satellite and it got crashed in 1979. So all media came, so people start pulling the leg when you get failure. So all media came.
Serious respect your faculty. You don't know when you will become what. Okay? This is a small list. I want to tell something Madam, you are not coming. We need to join the AXT. This is not our specially organized.